there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Eve by Envy in the color Chocolate Cherry. I had a suspicion that this wig would look really stellar in this color, and I have not been let down. This is really cute in the Chocolate Cherry, which, you know, even though I know Envy wigs kind of have shallow sideburns for my particular head shape, I just coordinate it with my own sideburns and I can tuck it in. No one's gonna notice. Yeah, this one has a lace front that you can see right here. We'll do a little magic. See all those little knots? Because the knots are a dark color, they're gonna show up a little bit more than they would if they were, say, like blonde knots. But just bear that in mind that that's a thing. I still think it looks really nice though. And you know, if you get really freaked out about the knotting, just put a little bit of concealer on the knots. That usually takes care of it. Blend it in with your foundation, you're good to go. I love this wig. I'm probably going to keep this one. It's making my neck look amazingly thin. Hey! You know, I haven't seen it for a while, so it's refreshing. No, but seriously, I'm very happy about the shape of this one, about how flattering it is on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Eve looks like on all sides. Got a little rambunctious there. This one's really cute. It has a lot of layering. Just a lot of layering. You can see how much layering, even up here. So even though this is really chic and sleek, very razored, very, very layered. There's the front, so you can see that's even very layered. Quite short in the back. Yeah, this one's super cute. The front on Eve is 6.5 inches. The crown down is 7.5. The sides are very layered, and they can be as short as 2.75 inches. The nape is very short at just 1.75 inches. So let me go ahead and take Eve off for you now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Eve has a contoured lace front. She's also got a little bit of permatease on the side of the top of the cap opposite of that part. Very nice and densely wefted here on the sides and in the back. Does not have an extended nape because the nape is so short. So when you decide you want to keep this one, make sure you get rid of the tags in the back. We have generous elastic adjusters with Velcro tabs that attach right above the nape here. And we also have ear tabs that are covered with a nice soft fuzzy felt. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. I think this one's really cute. It's very professional looking. It's got a lot of texture, so you can play around with it. You can put a little product in it, synthetic safe product in it, to kind of bring that out, make it a little bit more voluminous and messy looking if you want. So this has been my review of the Eve by Envy in the color Chocolate Cherry, which, by the way, is a really lovely medium dark brown that has these very bold copper red highlights all over the top. It is a rooted color. Dark brown root on this one. So I'm Heather from CysterWigs, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you all kinds of color spotlight videos and personal blogs about my weight loss journey and all kinds of stuff. So if any of that piques your interest, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the fun. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.